ready to ditch the crypto confusion and snag some Bitcoin the easy way. We are going to be showing you how you can buy Bitcoin directly within your Safepal wallet app. First, unlock your Safepal wallet using your password, pattern, or biometric authentication. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app for the best experience. Next, locate the Bitcoin, or BTC, icon on your wallet's main screen. If you don't see it, tap the plus icon to add Bitcoin to your displayed coins, then tap on the Bitcoin icon to open its wallet. Now you should see the Buy button. Go ahead and tap it. This will take you to the screen where you can select your payment method. Safepal supports a variety of payment options. Choose the one that works best for you. Keep in mind that availability and fees may vary depending on your region and payment provider. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy in your local currency. Safepal will show you the estimated amount of BTC you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. Double-check all the details. Carefully review the transaction details displayed on the confirmation screen. Make sure everything is accurate, paying close attention to the fees involved. Once you're happy with the details, confirm the transaction using your Safepal security password or biometric authentication. The purchase is now being processed. You'll see a confirmation message. Once the transaction is complete, it may take a few minutes for the Bitcoin to appear in your Safepal wallet, depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your newly purchased Bitcoin will now be displayed in your Safepal wallet, ready for you to hold securely or use as you please. Happy trading!